here. Good afternoon. And Modify Tech specializes in designing and manufacturing precision parts and turning industry tools. We started producing the upgrade parts since 2001. And in 2007, we introduced the first modular gear set for automatic electric gun. It changed the way we shift the gears and shortened the time from at least half an hour to less than 1 minute. In 2008, we introduced the quantum gear set. It's a double cycle gear for automatic electric gun. It made the AG rate of fire twice as fast, from 15 rounds per second to 30 rounds per second or above, with the normal motor and the 8.4 volt battery. Last year, we introduced our Airsoft sniper rifle, Mod 24. It's with a feature of illuminated magazine, and its features is extremely consistency and accuracy. Today, I'm going to introduce the XTC, automatic electric gun, extreme tactical carbine. There are many new features. Here, I'm going to cover 4 of them with you. The first one is extreme consistency and accuracy. We have a keymaul handrail with keymaus on 3, 6, 9 o'clock, stand-up Picatinny rail on 12 o'clock. And we have a functional folding sides. We also have extraordinary build quality. Aluminum out barrel fits the receiver perfectly, and is very stable with the design of double nuts. And we have a Billy style upper and lower receiver with the front magazine serration for better grip and the flared magazine well for faster reloading. And we have a new design adjustable accurate hop-up system, and with extreme straight 6.1 millimeter precision in the barrel. And here is extreme consistency and accuracy. And the second up is upgrade heart. We know the AG's heart is a gearbox, so we redesigned and enhanced the gearbox with revolutionary MPI internals for energy saving. MPI means minimum power intake. We do not upgrade the motor, we do not upgrade the battery, we do not use a MOS FET. Instead, we use a mechanical way to minimize the power intake and protect the motor. So this is the gearbox. And also we have a steel straight trigger with a lighter trigger pull, and it is very strong. Okay, this is the upgrade heart. And the third up is play fun. Here the XTC come with a mid-cap magazine with 190 rounds. In the same time, we designed a high capacity with 300 rounds magazine. Here is okay. And the same as Mod 24, we have a LED box inside it it's for illuminate magazine. And this box is for quick loading. Here I have some sample like this. Okay. This is a mid cap, and for the high capacity, it's like this. It's a 300 rounds high capacity magazine. Just turn the levels 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. And you can shoot the 300 BBs completely. Okay, here's a little video to show you. Five times. Okay, so it's done. It's our high capacity 300 rounds high capacity magazine, jack magazine we call it. And this is for play fun. And the number four is great flexibility. And we have 45-degree quick throw and the safety selector. And also we have a redesigned ergonomic grip to fit the model and allow the wires go separately. As you know, most version 2 grip, when the model put it in, it will sink when operating. So we made a wall here. And there's a groove on the wall. So when the motor goes to the grip, it will just feed it, and no moving. It will lie to the pinion gear for accurate shooting. And there's a groove for the wire, so no wire issue because the wire will go to another channel. And we have also designed the new crank stock. It's an economic design, 6-position adjustable crank stock. It's a built-in ambidextrous QD sling swivel stud, and it's FPC adjustable, and you can also change quick change spring. You can see here, there's the part. Just use a long hack signal key and push turn. You can adjust the FPS from 401 to 362. And when you disassemble the stock, you can very easy and quick change the screen. And this stock is also for good wearing, no wearing issue. When you adjust the stock, it's very easy, no wearing issue, because the connector, the adapter, and the wires will hide behind here. And also, you could just use a normal battery, put into the crank stock here. It's down. Okay, so it's a great flexibility. And the XTC gives you greater capability, flexibility, heat rate, and fun. It might be the best play experience you have ever had. Modified automatic electric gun, XTC. And I forgot that. It's like option 4. When you install the stock, it's for tracer BBs. So thank you. If you want to know much more of our Modify products, you can visit. You're welcome to visit our booth. It's 7A417. Thank you.